What's up, my colleagues? Welcome back to another exciting video. If it's your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. Today we are diving into something that's hotter than Lagos traffic in December, and that is AI stocks that could potentially make you serious money in 2025. Listen, if you have been following the tech space for quite some time now, you already know that artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's happening right now. From the ChatGPT you are probably already using right now to the AI tools making businesses easier, this technology is changing everything. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Micah, isn't it too late to invest in AI stocks? Or these are foreign stocks. Aren't they too expensive for us? Well, that's exactly why I made this video. I've done the research and found 4 solid AI companies that still have massive growth potential, and I'll show you why they might be worth adding to your portfolio even as a Nigerian investor. In this video, we'll break down these companies in a way that makes sense, and make sure to watch this video to the end because it is essential as an investor so you don't miss anything. By the way, to help this channel and community grow, do all to smash the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also share this video with someone that it will be helpful to. You can also join my WhatsApp community to get faster updates from me. And without much talk, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Alright, my colleagues, let's start with the heavyweight champion of AI stocks right now, and that is Nvidia. Listen, if AI were a Nollywood movie, Nvidia would be that superstar producer behind the scenes making everything work. You see, Nvidia isn't just another tech company, they are the ones making the brain that powers almost every major AI system you are using today. Remember that ChatGPT you have been using, or that AI that's helping to detect fraud in most banks' transactions? Nvidia's technology is behind all of that. Now, let me break down why this stock is looking super sweet for 2025. First off, their numbers are absolutely massive. In their 2024 Q3 report, they made $35.1 billion in revenue. And get this, that's almost double what they made the year before. If this was a Nigerian business, would say then they cook. But here's what makes it even more interesting for Nigerian investors. Nvidia isn't just resting on their success. They have just launched something called the Blackwell platform. Think of it as the next generation iPhone of AI computing. All these big tech companies are literally queuing up to buy it because they need it to run their AI systems. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but Micah, isn't the stock too expensive? Well, yes, the price is not small, but here is something interesting. Many top analysts are predicting the stock could go up by another 51% in the next year. Even with some challenges like the restrictions on selling to China and increased production costs, the demand for their product is still through the roof. But let me keep it real with you. There are some risks we need to talk about. The stock has been a bit shaky recently, dropping about 14% since the start of 2025. Plus, they are facing some tough competitions and their new products are expensive to make. However, here's why I'm still excited about Nvidia. You see, AI isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's just getting started. From banks to hospitals, everyone needs the kind of technology Nvidia is making. It's like buying shares in MTN when mobile phones were just starting to blow up in Nigeria. The potential is massive. Next up on our list is Snowflakes. Listen, if you are wondering why I'm excited about a company with such a funny name, let me break it down for you. Think about how your banks keeps all your transaction data safe and organized, or how big companies like MTN manage millions of customers' record. That's exactly what Snowflake does, but on a massive scale. And now they are adding AI to make it even more powerful. Let me share with you why I believe Snowflake could be a smart investment for 2025. First things first, their business is growing at a very rapid pace. Their revenue hit $2.81 billion last year, growing by 36%. And get this, they have 461 big customers who each spend more than 1 million USD every year with them. That's like having 461 Dangote companies as your customers. But here is what really gets me excited about Snowflake. You see, Snowflake just partnered with some of the biggest AI companies like Anthropic to add powerful AI features to their platform. It's just like you probably upgrading from a regular Toyota to a Tesla. That's what they did. We are talking about next level technology. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but Micah, what about the risk? The company isn't profitable yet. They actually lost about $1.09 billion last year. Plus, they are facing tough competitions from big tech giants like Amazon and Microsoft. But here's why I am still optimistic about this company. One is their customers love them so much. They keep spending more money, using them. Their retention rate is around 131%. That is like having a shop where your customers not only keep coming back, but bring their friends to come and patronize you. It's mind blowing. Secondly, they have $5.2 billion in confirmed future contracts. That's actually serious long-term security, meaning people have paid for their services worth over $5.2 billion for future service they'll have to render to those businesses. It's quite crazy actually. Finally, top analysts are predicting that this company could hit 10 billion USD in revenue by 2029. The stock price has been a bit shaky recently. It's up 31% in the last 6 months, but dropped about 7% since January. But remember what I always say, in the stock market, sometimes you need to think long term. Now, is Snowflake cheap? The truth is, it's not cheap, no. But just like when you are buying land in Lekki Phase 1, the truth is sometimes you have to pay premium price for premium quality. The company's future looks bright, especially with how AI is changing the way big companies handle their data. Like Alice, now let's talk about a company we all use every single day, Google. If you have searched anything online today, checked YouTube, or probably even watching this video, or even used an Android device today, you are probably already using Google's product. But here's why Google made this list. You see, adding Google to your portfolio could actually be a smart investment in 2025. First, let me blow your mind with some numbers. Last year alone, Google made 96.5 billion USD in just one quarter, and their total revenue for the year a whopping 350 billion USD. If that is not impressive, I don't know what is. But here's what makes Google special for AI investment. Remember how everyone was talking about ChatGPT last year? Well, Google isn't actually sleeping. They are going all in on AI. They are planning to invest 75 billion USD in AI technology this 2025 alone. That's actually serious money. They have already launched amazing features like Circle to Search. If you haven't actually tried that product, it's like having a smart friend who can instantly tell you about anything you see on your phone. Quite interesting. Now, their cloud business is also booming, growing by 30%. Think about it this way. Just like how we needed electricity to power our businesses in the past, today's companies need cloud computing and AI to operate. And Google is becoming one of the main suppliers of this digital electricity. But let me keep it real with you. There are some things we need to watch out for when it comes to Google. One is the stock price. The stock price recently dropped by about 3% because some investors were worried about how much they are spending on AI. They are facing serious competition not just from Microsoft and Amazon, but also from new AI companies. The stock isn't also cheap, currently trading between the range of $117 to $200 per share. This might have changed by the time you're actually watching this video. But however, even though they have a high stock price, I am still excited about investing in Google in currently today. And here are some reasons why. One is that they have multiple ways to make money. They make money from ads to cloud services to even AI. Secondly is that their products are used by billions of people worldwide. Thirdly, and most importantly, they have the cash to invest in new technology without taking any loans. Analysts are also quite optimistic, with many saying that the stock could reach $210 or even $230 per share. That's actually some serious growth potential. Now, speaking of tech giants investing in AI, let's look at the next and final company on our list, Microsoft. This company is one of the OGs of the tech world, but also a major player in the AI race. And if you are thinking Microsoft, isn't that just the Windows company or the MS Word company? Chill, my guy. You are sleeping on some serious potential. Let me break it down. You see, Microsoft didn't just enter the AI game, they bought a front row seat. They invested about $13 billion into OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. And what did that do to the company? It actually made them a leader in AI almost overnight. They are not just experimenting with AI, they are integrating it deep into their product. Windows now has Copilot AI built into it. Microsoft 365, which involves Word, Excel, and the rest, now has AI assistants. Azure, their cloud business, is becoming an AI powerhouse. Businesses are already paying to use AI powered Microsoft products, and that's driving their stock price up. Also, it is worth knowing that Microsoft is a money printing machine. They made 62 billion USD in revenue in one of the quarters of 2024. That's bigger than the GDP of some African countries. If you had bought Microsoft shares just 5 years ago, you'd be sitting on over 200% gains today. And with AI in the mix, that growth isn't slowing down anytime soon. Unlike risky AI startups, Microsoft is a proven company with consistent profits. And finally, they are everywhere. Businesses, individuals, schools, almost everyone uses a Microsoft product. Overall, this is what I have to say. If you are looking for a stable AI investment with long-term potential, Microsoft is a solid pick. It's not volatile as some pure AI stocks, but it's also not sleeping on AI. Now, would I buy Microsoft? The truth is, I'm not a financial advisor, but if I had spare cash, this would definitely be on my list. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Is Microsoft worth buying, or are you looking at something else? I hope you found value in this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with somebody. Link to join my community is in the description and pinned comment section, and see you on the next one. Deal.